General symptoms of depression. Welcome to this interesting video, and in this video I will be showing you what general symptoms of depression are, so that you can be equipped, you can have the knowledge, because one of the ways by which you can manage depression and anxiety is awareness. So this video is a form of awareness, an educative video, so that you get to know what symptoms of depression are. I help individuals or group struggling with distractions, stress, frustration, confusion, bipolar tendencies, and lack of self-control develop unshakable mental discipline. So individuals and groups that lacks self-control, that are struggling with distraction, stress, frustration, confusion, I help them to develop unshakable mental discipline, which allow them to have their brain under their control rather than their brain controlling them. This way, they can achieve their goals with focus, confidence, and resilience without falling into the trap of becoming perpetual sadists, suppressing emotions instead of mastering them. Emotional symptoms. Okay, so one of the symptoms of depression and anxiety is emotional symptoms. That is it. Emotional symptoms is one of the symptoms of depression, anxiety. As a matter of fact, is one of the symptoms of poor mental health. So, what are the emotional symptoms that you look out for? You look out for persistent sadness, a continuous feeling of sadness or emptiness. When you see someone feeling sadness or emptiness and it is continuous, it is a symptom of anxiety, it's a symptom of depression. It is a symptom that something is not right within the mental health faculty. Persistent sadness, a continuous feeling of sadness or emptiness. Negative thinking, pervasive negative thoughts or beliefs about oneself and the future. This is more of anxiety. Okay, this is more of anxiety. Negative thinking, when you think pervasively and you have negative thought about yourself, about your environment, about everything, believing that the next moment the worst is going to happen. That is a symptom of depression. It is a symptom telling you that something is not right with the mental health. Irritability, increased frustration or anger. Every little thing you get angry, every little thing you get annoyed, even over minor issues. It is a symptom that something is not right. It is a psychological issue that something is not right with the mental health. When you get frustrated, you get angry at everything and at anything, it is an indication that something is not right. Feeling of guilt or worthlessness. Harsh self-criticism, when you criticize yourself harshly, and excessive blame over perceived failure. You blame yourself, you blame this, you blame that, you are just not comfortable within yourself. That is a feeling that is rooted in depression. It is a feeling signaling to you that something is not right with your emotional state, and that is a symptom that something is also not right with your mental health. The second one is cognitive symptoms. Difficulty concentrating, trouble focusing. When you are having trouble, you are struggling to focus, you are struggling to make decisions, you are struggling to remember things. It is an indication that something is not right with your mental health. Negative thinking. So negative thinking is also part of cognitive symptoms. When you think about negative things almost all the time. Indecisiveness, struggling to make choices or feeling overwhelmed by decision. Struggling to make choices or feeling overwhelmed by decisions is a symptom of depression. These are general symptoms. These are general symptoms, not localized symptoms, general symptoms of depression. When you start seeing these things, you start paying more attention to your mental health. Physical symptoms: fatigue, persistent tiredness and low energy even with adequate rest is also a symptom under physical symptoms. Changes in sleep pattern, insomnia, oversleeping or disrupted sleep is also one of it. Appetite changes, significant weight loss or gain due to changes in appetite is also a symptom of depression. Aches and pains, unexplained physical symptoms such as headaches, stomach aches and muscle pain. Unexplained physical symptoms such as headaches, stomach aches or muscle pains. Behavioral symptoms: withdrawal from activities, loss of interest in hobbies, socializing or other activities once enjoyed. When you notice that the activities you once enjoyed, you suddenly lose interest in them and you are now withdrawing from socializing, it is a symptom that something is wrong or something is about to go wrong. Reduced productivity. Of course, reduced productivity is one of the products of depression and anxiety. When you are struggling with depression and anxiety, your productivity will drop. You are unable to function right. You are unable to function well. So the reduced productivity is a symptom of depression, telling you that something is about to happen or something is already happening. So reduced productivity is a function of your mental health. It is telling you that your mental health is not in the right condition. Decreased performance at work or school, often accompanied by absenteeism. So you start absenting yourself from school, from work, from social life, from what have you. So it is a symptom of depression. Substance abuse. When you take solace in abusing substances, it's something like increased use of alcohol or drugs as a coping mechanism. It is telling you that something is not right with you, or you have somebody close to you that is exhibiting all these traits. Something is not right with that person, or something is about to go wrong with that person. Increased use of alcohol or drugs as a coping mechanism is an handwriting on the wall telling you that person is not in the right state of his head. I have a free ebook for you. This free ebook is titled How to Own Your Actions, a guide to personal accountability for growth and success. Your inability to own your actions is telling you that you are not in the right frame of your senses. You are not in the right frame of your mind. Your mental health needs attention. That is what your inability to own your actions is telling you. So this is a guide to personal accountability for growth and success. If you want to achieve growth, if you want to achieve success in all your areas of life, you must own your actions. You must be able to be accountable to yourself. And this ebook is free of charge, and it comes with a 7-day personal accountability challenge. This book also comes with a worksheet. This worksheet allows you to practice to understand what you are going to learn from this ebook. This ebook is not just passing information to you, it is passing transformation to you. Now, the download link of this ebook is in the video description. Check the video description for the download link, and also you can also find my email, my contact email in the video description. So if you have anything you like to discuss with me, if there's anything you would like to have with me as a conversation, you can always contact me through that email. Then, like I said earlier, the download link of this ebook is right there in the video description. What are you going to learn in this ebook? You will learn true meaning of personal accountability, how it differs from blame. You are going to learn step-by-step auditing method, so you can be able to audit yourself and to uncover hidden patterns holding you back. How to stop making excuses, you are going to learn it. And how to take your action, how to take right action towards your goal, you are going to learn it. You are going to learn practical strategies for staying accountable in tough times and overcoming setbacks. You are going to learn daily habits that reinforces self-discipline, consistency and resilience. And like I have said earlier, This ebook comes with a 7-day personal accountability challenge to jumpstart your transformation. Like I've said earlier, this book is all about transformation. So to download this ebook, check the video description, and you will always find my email address in the video description as well. So who is this book for? This book is for anyone tired of feeling stuck. If you are feeling stuck and you are ready to take control of your life, go for this book. If you are an entrepreneur, professionals, and student looking to develop stronger discipline, go for this book. Individuals struggling with self-sabotage. If you are struggling with self-sabotage, procrastination, or lack of motivation, go ahead and download it. If you are anyone seeking to build resilience, you want to build resilience, you want to build confidence, and you want to achieve long-term success, go ahead and download the book. It is free, and you will find the download link in the video description. Also, my contact email is in the video description as well. And I need you to subscribe to my channel. It's a form of motivation for me. Like, share, comment. It's a form of motivation for me, and I will appreciate it. Thank you. So let's continue with our video. Localized sign of depression. Now, we've seen the general signs of depression. We are about to take a look at what localized signs of depression are. Anyone in any group can suffer from depressive disorder. Anyone in any group, okay, can suffer from depressive disorder. There are distinguishing signs that can help you notice depression. There are always signs, there are always handwriting on the wall that can give you hints that something is about to happen or something is already going wrong. Female adults. Depression nearly twice as common among women. Yes, depression is more common among women than men. And the reason is because they have so many, for instance, they have postpartum depression, commonly referred to as baby blue, a depression that occurs after delivery. So that is one of the reasons why they have more depression than men. Then they have another one called premenstrual dysphoric disorder, depression due to the monthly menstrual flow. Can you see that? And other many issues that bother women. Women have so many issues bothering them, and these issues bring depression. So the following are peculiar signs of depression among women. Let's check it out. Female adults. Anxiety. Anxiety is one of the symptoms. Agitation is one of the symptoms. Sadness is one of it. Illogical reasoning. Secret tears. Being suspicious. Being touchy and yelling at their children. Irritability. Mood swings. Confusion. Fatigue. Cogitating mostly on negative incidents. Cogitating mostly on negative incidents is one of it as well. Male adult. Depression signs among men are the following: display of anger, taking a dangerous risk, working without a break, having difficulty keeping up family duties and work, communicating abusive or overbearing behavior in relationships, thinking of suicide, anxiety, agitation, sadness, illogical reasoning, secret tears. Now we are looking at children. Crying without reason, defiant character, slow speech, sluggish movement, restlessness, low energy, unfriendly behavior, and clinginess. These are the signs of depression in children. Now, I have said earlier that for you to be able to manage depression and every other mental health issues rightly, you need information, you need awareness. And this video is a form of awareness, which brings us to the end of this video. Like I've said earlier, I have a free ebook for you. Go and download the free ebook, and once you download it, I will send the worksheets to you. And also, the download link is in the video description. Check the video description for the download link. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe so that you get notification when I release new videos. And again, I also need you to like, share, and comment. Thank you for joining me in this video. Till we see again. Bye bye.